Welcome to another video on Onemint's NFT art generator app. In this video, we will go over how the rarity settings work when setting up your collection. First, we will open the layer settings by clicking on the Manage button. Now that we have opened the layer settings, we can start changing the rarities both for the layer itself and the traits inside of it. Rarity works as a chance, so if we decrease the percentage on the layer, it means that the NFTs have a smaller chance of getting a trait from that layer. In this case, we will take it down to 40%. With this setup, our NFTs have a 60% chance of not having a trait from this layer. Now we will move on to the trait's rarity settings. This works the same way as the layer rarity. In this case, we can see that there is a 13% chance that the NFTs get a brown background, a 22% chance for the green one, 13% for the gray, 4% on the red, and 45% on the pink. These percentages do not translate into the total supply percentage of the NFTs that have that trait, which means that maybe 15% of the NFTs end up having a green background, 25% a green one, etc. We can also set an exact amount of appearances for a trait by toggling the switch next to the rarity bar. This will make that specific traits appear exactly the times we want rather than working with a percentage. I hope this explanation has helped you understand how our app works better. See you in the next video.